I recently did a video on SAFe, the Scaled Agile Framework. And in this session, I thought I would address something a little more fundamental where I see a lot of confusion, and that is the difference between Agile and then methodologies or approaches, frameworks based on Agile. These are different things. By the way, Scrum is an example. Agile and Scrum are not the same thing, although I see them used interchangeably. So Agile was launched with the Agile Manifesto. They saw it as a better way of developing software, although today Agile has been applied to a lot more than software development. And they had a set of values. They said, we value these things more than these other things. And then there are a set of principles. So some people think of it as a mindset, a philosophy, an approach. It doesn't really show you how to develop software. It provides some values and principles that can guide you in developing software. So some people develop these frameworks like Scrum that attempts to be agile, but actually gives you instruction on how to develop things, how to structure the teams, what the different roles are, what some of the ceremonies are. So Agile is a philosophy, Scrum is a framework, and there are a bunch of other frameworks and methodologies like SAFe, LESS. A lot of people use Scrum with Kanban. So these are different things and you shouldn't use them interchangeably. So we have Agile, which is this mindset that we optimize for really uncertainty. When we start building something, we don't know what we're going to encounter, so we want to go stepwise and always focus on delivering value. And then there are these frameworks that give us an indication of how we can do those things. Just because an organization claims that they're doing Scrum does not mean they're actually agile. You can go through the motions, you can do Scrum theater and not be agile. So that is something you have to be careful about. In the other video, I talked about this backlash against SAFe. People say that it's not agile. I'll leave that up to you. You should research it for yourself. You should be careful about these people that are voicing really radical opinions without providing any evidence. I think it's a sign of maturity. People who understand the difference between agile and then frameworks and methodologies based on agile. Hope this was helpful.